Hey, welcome to this Take a Break yoga. It's an amazing quick yoga flow to do when you've just been sitting too long. That could be at a desk, it could be in the car, it could just be anytime. So let's do it. Stand on up and we're just gonna start and just shake out your joints. Let's just lubricate them a little bit because when we're in that stagnant position, everything just contracts. We're gonna work out opening our heart space and lubricating the joints. So let's start off with some shoulder rolls. Inhale, exhale, bringing them down that back space. Inhale. Let's do once more. Inhale, really bringing them up and then actively pressing them down into that back space. Let's inhale, arms come up and then grabbing the left wrist with the right hand, we're gonna pull it over to the side. Now make sure you're not stuck here. Create some space between your shoulder and your ear, actively reaching that hand over, switching sides, reaching up, and exhaling. Again, keeping space between your ear and your shoulder. Really rooting those feet down, slight bend in the knees, avoid hyperextending those knees. Big inhale up, arms come down. Let's interlock our hands behind our back. Inhale, reach up, gazing up. And then soften the knees, bend the elbows, drop the head. Hands to your knees, rolling up the spine. We're going to do what I love to call figure 8 neck rolls. So copy me, it's a little bit weird. And once you get going, if you close your eyes, that can feel super delicious. So we're gonna look over to the left. Might be all right if you're mirroring me. We do a circle. Then we drop through the middle and we go over to the other direction. It is amazing for your neck, reaching around. If you have your eyes open, it even extends that stretch. Yes, your eyes can stretch. How cool is that? Last one, we reach up and the other direction. You might feel a little bit weird and that's okay. It's gonna be so good for you. Interlock your fingers, take it at the base of your neck, and we're gonna open our heart. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see me. Inhale, open up. Exhale, curve elbows to knees. Inhale, reaching up, squeeze your bottom, open that heart, and exhale, elbows to knees. Last one, pressing through the heels, squeezing the bottom, open up. And over. This time, take your hands down, place it on the knees, and rolling the spine all the way up. Okay, facing me, we're just gonna take our hips and we're gonna roll them out. Bringing it in, rolling it out. Now this time we're coming inward. If you're wobbly, totally okay. Wobbling is great for all of those ligaments. Last stretch, both feet are pointing forward, reaching your fingers down, opening up. If you need to bend a knee, bend the front knee and dropping that head. Big inhale. On the exhale, melt. Let that head be so wonderfully heavy. And rolling up. Stepping the back leg forward and the other leg goes back. Rolling all the way down. Fingers come to the floor. Bend the front knee if you need a bent knee. And drop that head. Heavy, heavy head. Big inhale and exhale. Rolling the spine all the way up and coming forward. We're going to go ahead and find a nice mountain pose. Spread your toes, spread your hands, slight bend in your knees, engage your glutes. Heart is nice and open and we inhale up. We exhale, arms come down, actively press, 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 press. Imagine you're in like a tub of peanut butter and you need to press against it, actively press. It would be kind of gross if it was peanut butter, but who knows? It's kind of yummy at the same time. And exhale. Amazing. Let's take our left hand all the way over, reach, 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 reach. And then drop down, rolling up. Other side, we reach, actively pressing and reaching, dropping the knees and rolling all the way up. Take your hands together, rub them super, super fast, create some heat and friction, super, super fast. And then just let them come out. Feel those wonderful vibrations in your fingers. Take your hands to your face, your hands to your heart, and you're ready to go back about your day.